In 2012, the K+S Group had another successful business year. Let's take a brief look at the financial details. With a good 3.9 billion euro, revenues almost reached the previous year's level. With about 809 million euro, operating earnings were very close to what we published in our latest forecast. Adjusted earnings per share rose to 3.34 euro, including the income from the divestment of the nitrogen business. This enables us to propose to the annual general meeting an increase of the dividend for 2012 by 10 cents to 1.40 euro. A pleasing result was contributed by our potash and magnesium products business, the second best after 2008, which had been an exceptional year in many respects. The disappointing result for the salt business unit was in particular attributable to the weak de-icing salt business as a consequence of the exceptionally mild winter at the beginning of 2012, which we were unable to make up for over the course of the year as a whole. Nevertheless, it was a year in which our employees again showed a great extent of commitment, loyalty, and identification with the company. Also, on behalf of the other members of the Board of Executive Directors, I would like to thank them wholeheartedly. Our legacy project, the construction of a new potash plant in the province of Saskatchewan in Canada, is making a decent progress. During last year, we already reached first milestones. Among other things, we built up water supply, finalized disposal wells, and connected the first cavern. In addition to this, we are working on the basic engineering for the project. At the end of 2012, about 120 employees of K+S from several countries worked on setting up the site. The capital expenditure was over 140 million euro last year. Production start is anticipated for late 2015, and after the completion of the first phase of construction in 2017, the 2 million tons mark should be reached. In a few years' time, legacy should bring us exactly what our company needs for its development and what has from time to time been criticized as a shortcoming by the capital markets: access to further raw materials to increase our potash capacity, a further internationalization of our business on the sales side, the reduction in average production cost, and the extension of the average lifetime of our mines. We experienced a very decent start into the new business year in both of our business units. In the salt business unit, we expect a tangible recovery for sales volumes in 2013 as a whole, mainly because of the wintry weather conditions at the start of this year. In the potash and magnesium products business unit, given the important agreements concluded with China and India, which spurred demand significantly, we should be able to achieve a sales volume on the high level of the previous year once again, albeit at a lower average price level. All in all, we expect the K+S Group to achieve a slight increase in revenues and operating earnings this year. For fiscal year 2014, we see also chances for slightly higher revenues and earnings compared to 2013. We have every reason to face the future with confidence. The K+S Group is well positioned, and the external and internal conditions for the successful continuation of our growth course are fulfilled.